All right, this is just a short video just introducing you to a few more of the services that you can find on our campus. So the previous module, we looked at a few things about how to get introduced to the history major, a little bit about the skills you'll be learning. And this module 1B, we're going to be looking at some of the services that we have on campus that are outside of our department, but of course you can still ask us questions if you need something. So we are going to be looking at a number of different services that are found on campus. So we have academic support services. These are things such as the library, and I'll see if I can remember to pop up a video on how to look up things like different types of sources and so on. We have lots of tutoring support services on campus, writing support services. If you need help with accessibility, we certainly have that, and we will have all the links in this particular module. We have something called wellness and counseling resources. So wellness is like the gym, different counseling resources that if you need anything, you should certainly, you can contact me first if you'd like a direct contact, or contact the services listed in this particular module. Sometimes students have other issues like financial issues or basic needs like food and so on. Our campus can certainly help with that. So please click on the links within the module and read through what the university can help you with. There are also times when you're not quite sure what's happening, maybe in a class or with your major or something in your personal life. We have services on campus that can help you with that. So you can certainly come to me first and I can direct you to different places, or you can have access to this module and save some of these links if you think this might be coming up for you in the future. And then, of course, we want to make sure that you can figure out what to do on your own. Say if it's at night and you send me an email and I'm not around after 6 or 7 p.m. That way you can kind of figure out where to go and who to call if you need something else with any other type of concerns. That's essentially what this module is about. And then by the end, you should be able to really address all of these issues. So identify where the academic support services are, including the library. Know where the gym is on campus and where you can find counseling services. Know where to go if you're having academic questions, personal questions, financial concerns. And of course, the whole point of this module is to make sure that you feel confident in being on campus or taking your degree online asynchronously, and where to go if anything pops up. And of course, you can always contact me first.